Look at that.
Yeah.
Look like little Indians.
It does. Looks like, I mean, it's not, you can see the rock underneath it, but it sure looks like somebody.
Little something
Maybe.
there. Look at that.
I know, but
Legs.
it's not. It's not. It's just the rock underneath. That's eerie.
Oh,
That is a strange
what
looking.
look like cement.
They've got a bunch of core drills, a bunch of holes in the walls over here.
Yeah.